idea. Hey guys, my name is Jamie. Today, you're going to see me make Patrick's Star, the little cowboy edition, with colored polymer clay. By no means is this a proper how-to, because you're going to see me go through so many mistakes and goofs. My phone even falls off the balcony at some point. So if you want to see me go through this little adventure and see how it turns out, then keep on watching. Honestly, not sure if this is going to work out, but we'll see. So I started off by sketching Patrick out and outlining it with pen so y'all could see it better. I then got aluminum foil to create the body of our figurine. And this is where my first mistake comes in. Since this is basically our base, I should have taken the time to make sure every side of the cone shape we're making was even. Instead, I saw that one side was perfect and got easily frustrated with the other side and just let it be, thinking, it'll be alright. Spoiler alert, it wasn't alright. The foil ended up looking like a sunken-in ice cream cone, and while it might look okay in most scenes, you'll see how it'll play into some more frustrations later. It's time to pick out the colors. But before we do that, in order to prevent stains, especially since it's colored clay, and to make it a bit easier to pull the clay off, I taped some parchment paper to my desk. Since I'm using my phone to film, I don't have the original picture of little cowboy Patrick handy, so I wrote down the colors that I needed to color match next to the sketch that I did in 3, 2, 1. This is where my second mistake happens. I don't know why, but I took this blue color to make the bandana when I had absolutely no reason to put it on him yet. It was a struggle having to put all the articles of clothing under that bandana while still being gentle enough to let it keep its 3D shape. I think it was that pretty blue color that distracted me or something, but don't do what I did. I think this is a good time to start explaining why I have so many clay colors and why I'm doing this. And there's two explanations onto why I'm doing this. The first one being that I'm doing this little figurine for my boyfriend because he loves SpongeBob. And he loves all the memes too, which, I mean, I do too. But okay, don't come at me here, but I grew up not being a huge fan of SpongeBob. But that's only really because I grew up with a brother who would constantly watch SpongeBob to the point where SpongeBob's voice aggravated and annoyed me so much. It was a point of a lot of arguments when we were younger. My brother can vouch for that. So I don't know if y'all caught it, but for the arms, all I did was mold 2 small pieces of aluminum again and use some wire used for jewelry to push it through and hold them together. Back to why I'm doing this. So the second reason I'm doing this is because during quarantine, I impulsively bought a whole box of colors, and I'm trying to get rid of them right now. This was more towards the beginning of quarantine, maybe like April, around there. So I've had this huge box of colors from this impulsive buy because Instagram started showing me all these videos of people doing clay, and me, without a lot of, research like I should have done. I did minimum research, guys. I didn't even look to see what was the best clay, if I should get colored clay, if I should get clay that was just white and then paint it later. No, I just bought the first thing I saw on Amazon, which was this big box of colors, and I was like, this is a great deal. When it finally reached my doorstep, I was like, why the heck did I do this? Like, it was huge and it's heavy, and I was like, I can never get through this, and it's just taking up space. And I have this bad habit of buying all these art supplies and never using them. And keep in mind, that's showing true here because I got this box in April and now it's January. Basically, what I'm trying to say is my goal for 2021 is to use this YouTube channel as an accountability measure to help me get through this box. And maybe together we can see me grow and get better with my clay making also. Here's my little finished clay project. It would have been easier if I had done it in the right order. And also, we're not gonna talk about the back, okay? We're not gonna talk about the back. I'll do better next time. So I'm gonna put this in the oven now. There he is, by Patricio. Let's see. Wow! Oh my gosh, how am I supposed to take him out? This part here is just the final details. We're painting in his little eyeballs, his eyebrows, the lines on his shirt, and then the little flowers on his pants. I just used whatever paint I found handy. I used some watercolor in there, and then I also found out that I need some better white paint. Alright, so I'm back. We've got Patrick right here. I'm gonna go outside to put resin on. It's gonna be probably embarrassing because it's a patio and it's like, I don't know, there's like, all my neighbors will probably see me. It's dark outside, so maybe that will help. And then getting this, taking it outside, getting the resin, and making Patrick, little cowboy Patrick, shiny. So we'll see if this works out. Let's go. We're going out. Just inserting a little safety warning here, but I heard that any type of resin, you have to be careful when you're handling it. Not sure how important this is, but I wore gloves. I went outside on my patio for proper ventilation, and also mainly because I live in a small studio apartment and I don't want it stinking up my place. What? Oh my gosh. I think I accidentally put way too much resin there, but oh well. I went ahead and tried to coat Patrick as evenly as possible so that he could be shiny. I didn't do the back though, just so you know. Anyways, before this, I was dreading to go outside to the patio because it's January, and if you know me, I absolutely hate the cold. But surprisingly, it wasn't that cold. I mean, it was chilly, but I could deal with it. I was so happy. I was almost finished with my project.
Five minutes later.
Guys, you won't freaking believe me when I say that I dropped my phone down 4 stories. 4 stories. I went outside to coat little Patrick over here. When I took it off the tripod, it just went bloop. Anyways, the good thing is my phone didn't have a single scratch, so I look really calm when I'm explaining all of this, but for real, I was panicking when I was in the moment. Like, oh my gosh, when I saw my phone fly, we're just gonna count our blessings and go with the flow. Somebody out there though, somebody in these apartments probably saw through their window and laughed. Now I'm gonna UV dry light it. Just getting a little tan right here. So I'm gonna check it out. He's feeling good, guys. Alright. Oh no. He's stuck on a napkin. No. Guys, he's stuck on a napkin. Okay. Oh, hello. He's so cute. I'm so happy about this. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Little cowboy Patrick. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Anyways, hope you guys like this video. Look at how he turned out. He turned out so cute. Actually, I'm kind of like really surprised at myself that he kind of turned out this cute. It was a little journey in trying to figure out what exactly I was doing and like, stuff I needed to do. The techniques aren't exactly right. I am not a professional, but hopefully as time goes by, I'll get a little better and I can refine my technique a little bit because I needed a little bit of work, and hopefully next time my phone doesn't fall down either, like, because we don't want that to happen again. Anyways, I hope you guys like this, and we'll see how it turns out next time. Thank you and have a nice day.